Yep. Okay, so here we are for our fog training session. It's November 19th, 2016, and we're walking over here to the dairy from the cemetery area. And as soon as we get over here, I'll turn this back on. I mean, you could be inside a building like this and the whole roof could cave in on you. So, best thing is get in, get out, and just be safe. Oh, but another thing is you got to remember to, you new people, you got to remember to protect yourself. I mean, whether you say prayers, whether you use sage, whatever you use, you have to protect yourself. Because
treat every location just like you would a national forest. You pack it in, you pack it out.
Yep.
Don't leave anything behind, no littering, because, well, we want to leave this for the next generation, but we can see that there's individuals that don't give a crap about the next generation.
Yeah.
We get that folks like us have to preserve this stuff. We have to get involved and make a difference, because if we don't, this is what's going to happen. History falls apart on us.
Yeah.
And that's our next step in the preservation.
Is there
Yeah, there's a miracle too.
Okay.
Very first time I came up here, this door opened and shut all by itself. That was my first indication that there were friends here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's way too heavy to be
Yeah.
wind manipulated.
Yeah. These buildings have changed so much since we first started coming up here. You know, they've rotted. I mean, there's so many that have rotted out. That roof was not like that the first time we ever came up here.
Well, that's the second peel back is just this year, this fall.
Yeah, we had some bad windstorms already.
Finish the saging now.
Yeah, let's go over here. J.A., where are you? J.A. Hey, Joyce. Get in the center where the wind's not blowing so bad. We're coming in here so that we can finish saging a couple people. We did the kids already because we want to make sure that they're safe. And so now, Joyce, we're going to come in here and you're going to get saged, girl. It's a lot easier to do it with.
Yeah, where the wind isn't.
You got the kids pretty much. That's my main concern. You guys, I mean, you know how to say prayers and stuff if you need to, so.
I'll take them saging.
Yeah. Just remind them that you're not here for them to follow home, that they need to stay put.
Yeah, and I have had one following home from
Yeah.
here. Turn my TV off and on for several days.
Oh, man.
And she touched me outside.
Mm-hmm.
Her name was Carol.
So where'd you get your sage from, Brenda?
Woolly Market.
Really?
Uh-huh. If you want to stand right here, I don't want to risk dropping anything that might hurt. So we're just going to get you all over your body, away any negative energy.
You don't think?
You know, in all the years that Russ and I have done this, we really haven't done that many cleansings, and the reason is because I don't normally do cleansings. I talk to them. And I convince them to go to the other side if I can.
Yeah. Have you dealing with spirits?
Yeah, many times. Right now we're inside, looks like an old feeding spot, maybe.
Next.
Like for cows?
Mm-hmm. Cows, horses, pigs, whatever. They had all kinds of different animals out here. Excuse me. Looked down a whole week with some kind of creepy crud that just wouldn't let go.
Oh, yeah.
Finally today, I was feeling a little bit better.
Careful of pneumonia. That, I had it in January of last year, and just out of nowhere.
Yeah. Yeah, it sneaks up on you quick.
I think that's what they said Hillary had happened when she.
Okay, once we get this done, Russ is gonna take a few of you with him, and I'm gonna take a few of you guys with me, and that way we can make it into smaller groups, and you're gonna get maybe more activity that way. We found that the less people, you know, in communication with trying to communicate with the spirit, the better activity you get. It's almost like they have a fear of us, so we got to try and show them that there's no reason for them to be scared.
Yeah, because they get so many people up here, they don't know who really cares and who doesn't. They really have the feeling that nobody cares because they get so many people up here dorking around and not showing respect to the facility and the spirits that are here, that they don't trust anybody.
Exactly.
Next step.
I think that's it already. Or,
What do you want to set equipment up?
let me talk to Russ here real quick.
I have the most left over in one.
Russ, keep my distance. I just got over a really bad cold, so. Hello, everybody. All this is going on YouTube. Say hello, Lisa.
Is anybody here with us today?
Hello, Maddie.
I find yes or no questions are usually what we'll get a response with on that.
Yes. Okay, we're getting ready to run a spirit box session with an SB7. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically just a box with that.
Sorry.
So it amplifies.
No,
ahead.
you're
Go
fine.
ahead. You want to finish up your... what
No, I'm
you're saying?
good. I'm good.
Okay. So basically this sweeps AM FM frequencies at a very fast rate, as you can tell. It's going over them very quickly. We will catch radio stations blipping in and out of here every once in a while. But if spirits want to communicate with us, it'll come across several frequencies. And it'll be obvious that it's a communication.
Okay. Is there anybody here with us that would like to speak with us? We welcome you to come and talk with us. If you have something to say, we really would be interested in hearing it. Are you afraid of us? Because you shouldn't be. That's just a machine so that we can hear your voice.
Shut my battery down already.
Yep, me too. If anybody has any experience, we also know there's another man here that people call the farmer, an elderly gentleman. Are you here with us? How long did you work on the farm? We're going to give you about 5 minutes, our time. We know that you have no time now for you to respond, and then we'll move on to another building. I'm not hearing anything.
Craig, are you here with us?
Did anybody say anything? Thought I heard somebody say no, but it was whispery. So that's why I thought somebody might have said something. Okay. Well, everybody breathes, honey. It's okay. Yeah. If you stop breathing, there's a problem.
Yeah.
Always bring extra batteries with you. Your batteries will be drained.
Oh, and one thing, when you're doing an EVP session, always wait at least 30 seconds between each question. Gives them time to, I don't know, store up enough energy to answer you if they're going to. Sometimes you just don't get anything. It's a little disappointing, but it's all part of it.
Have you gotten EVPs?
Yeah, but not in this building. We got it out by the old cannery, which we'll end up out there. So, all right, let's stop this one and go on. All right, we're leaving here, so if you want to come with us and answer us in another building, that's fine, but you do have to stay here. Unless you tell us you want to leave or you need help. Then we'll try and get you to move on to the spiritual realm. You guys just want to kind of wander around, take photos. Your main goal as an investigator is document as much as possible of every building that you go into here. This is what we're doing today. You guys get to investigate, we get to talk. So, help yourself.
Yesterday you said never investigate, right?
Alone.
Oh.
You always want at least one person with you.
Okay.
Oh, and by the way, if you have any experience, either document them on a recording device, or if you got a camcorder or your camera is playing video, record it on there. You want to remember everything that you experience so that it goes eventually into the final document for the investigation.
When you are recording, make sure, do you make any noises?
Yeah, record that too.
Noises that you're aware of to document that.
Say your coat rustles, or like your coat moves. You want to make sure you tell tell somebody to write it down or record it.
Yeah, just say that, oh, that was me, you know. So
Yeah.
when you review it, you know that it was.
If you burp, if you fart, I don't care what it is, you need to document it. We might get you a laugh out of it later. That's okay. Because you never know. And take at least 2 pictures from the same location and the same direction, because you may not get something in one, but you may get it in the other.
Have you been in the cannery?
Yes. You mean the one in the very back there?
No, that's not the. That's a slaughterhouse out there.
Yeah.
Canneries.
Yeah, we've been there. Got an EVPs out of there.
Huh?
Got an EVPs out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty busy place.
Uh-huh. And this is Todd. Say hello, Todd.
Hello.
And this is Lisa. And this is Madison. Or Maddie. Tina's right there. And Brenda. Hey.
And remember, if you do have any kind of a device, such as the TT that's taking electrical recordings, there is no power in any of these buildings out here. So if you...
In that building. So, you guys stay with us, okay? You know, we actually, one time we were out here and I actually got a apparition of a guy peeking around the corner at the end of this building right here. No, wait, it wasn't this one, it was this one over here. So hopefully, somebody will get something cool today. I'm gonna take pictures of this thing. Yeah, that's some other people, I think. Boy, this thing is falling apart, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
I'm going to sweep up all this.
I know. I know.
Because it's so pretty etched the way it is.
I know.
And around the corner, there's etchings that the patients made in it.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever gotten any activity in this one? Me too. Good job. Oh, sorry.
There's no shadow
Hmm?
going. Shadow. This
What?
is the one.
Oh, okay. Last time we were out here, our dog kept getting hits out here.
Where's Katie?
They're right here. I'm keeping an eye on her. Can't squeeze through there, I'm too fat. Gotta go this way. Maddie? I'll go around this way. Lots of pictures, honey.
Somebody had maybe hours before it came through with fake blood. It was all still wet.
It's disgusting what people have done to this place. Yeah, I kind of blame it on the county because they didn't take care of these places like they should have. They just let them sit here and rot away. Do we want to see if we can get to a session?
Are there any minor cases in here?
Minor?
You want to try spirit box in here?
Sure. Yeah. Be careful, the stuff is kind of rotted, so You do not want anybody getting hurt. Where's that one lady?
Okay. I think we might have someone in here with us. Would you like to communicate with us in here?
Is there anything that we can do to help you? Please let us know.
What is your name? How many spirits are in here with us right
Got voices in the background.
now? Focus your energy on this red light right here. If you speak into this red light, we can hear you. We'd like to talk to you. We'd like to help you if there's any way we can. We are here out of respect for you.
Yeah. Can you get through there? Brenda.
You heard that? Did you just shut that door? I've had that happen in here before. Did you do that? You see this green light? You focus your energy on this and you turn it to red. We're not here to cause you any harm or any disrespect.
Brenda.
Really like to communicate with you.
Brenda. Woo-hoo.
Are you communicating with us by opening and closing the door?
Can you
That
open?
happened here before.
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Yeah. Can you open the door all the way? It's wiggling. See it?
Are you telling me?
Can you finish closing or opening the door?
You hear that?
Was that on there or was that?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. I'm picking up on a young man.
What?
Young man.
Right? Are you here with that?
I'm gonna keep an eye on behind you guys too. Okay. Are we getting wind?
Yeah.
Be careful. There we go. Whoa, watch out, watch out, watch out. It's okay, it's pushing the wind this way now. All right, let's see if you can open the door without the wind helping. Now you're shy, right?
Go ahead, put your energy into it. It's not that heavy.
My battery's going dead. Last time we were out here, we caught some EVPs back here. Oh, look at this.
What was this building?
I think it was like a production kind of building.
What is it?
Production type, I think. Last time we were here, caught an EVP over here. So I'm hoping sorry, it's so jiggly. The ground's not level. Last time we were here, we talked to a lady. Are you still here? Are you still hanging out here? I would hope not, but if you are, would you talk to us? It's windy outside, just in case you hear rustling and stuff. Anybody in there that wants to talk to me? Can I walk in here a little closer to you?